If you cannot start recording this screen on Motorola Edge 7 Fusion, you get an error message where it says error starting screen recording. The reason why it doesn't work for you might be because of the animated wallpaper. At least this is what happens if I use the live or animated or video wallpaper on my phone. If I try to switch it to something standard like a static wallpaper, let's say I'm just gonna switch back and forth to the default wallpaper over here, and then I should be able to use the screen recorder again. So there we go, it has been changed. Now if I try to record this screen, after the countdown it should start without any issues. If it doesn't work, I mean, it might say that errors saving screen recorder or something, but as you can see, it is indeed recording. So it appears that it doesn't work for the first time, or at least all of these options are missing. So let's say if I try to use the screen recorder one more time, if this time it is going to disappear. There we go, now it works just fine. So as you can see, in my case, it was the animated wallpaper that was causing the issue. And to be precise, it was the Edge app. So if you have the same app and the screen recorder doesn't work for you, you can of course turn it off or just switch the wallpaper temporarily and see if then it works just like it does in my case now. What you can also do, in case that doesn't help, you can open the settings. Then over here we're gonna go to display settings, and then you should be able to find screen record option. Now here you want to make sure that the frame rate is set to dynamic, the record time limit is set to unlimited, and the file size limit is set to unlimited. And you can of course, for example, turn off record touch points as well, just for now at least. And also make sure that you have enough storage space. That is of course one of the issues as well. If you don't have enough storage to record videos, then of course you will not be able to do so. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.